So it says evaluate the function rule f of a is equal to negative 3a plus 5 to find the range of the function of the domain when the domain is negative 3, 1, and 4. Some of us are asking, why would you use function notation? Why can't we just use x and y all the time? This is one of the situations where we use function notation. It's where we're going to substitute multiple numbers in. Even though this looks like it's one problem, there's really three problems. We have the domain of negative 3, 1, and 4. That means we're going to have to solve when negative 3 is a, we're going to have to solve when 1 is a, and we're going to have to solve when 4 is a. So there's really three problems in one. Okay? The domain, note it was written in brackets and in numerical order, least to greatest, right? Negative 3, 1, and 4. When you write the domain of the range, you always put it in those brackets like that, and you always write it from least to greatest. Okay? So, to solve, substitute all three values into the function rule. Again, the function rule is the function of a is equal to negative 3a plus 5. The first domain number was negative 3. So we write negative 3 in for a. Again, only the calculation is taking place on the right side of this, in this particular problem. So negative 3 times negative 3 is 9. 9 plus 5 is 14. So the function of negative 3 is equal to 14. Now we're going to substitute in positive 1 for a in the same function rule. We'll substitute 1, 1. So negative 3 times 1 is negative 3, and negative 3 plus 5 is positive 2. So the function of 1 is equal to 2. The last part, we're going to substitute in 4 for a. So function of 4 is equal to negative 3 times 4 plus 5. Negative 3 times 4 is negative 12, and negative 12 plus 5 is negative 7. So the function of 4 is equal to negative 7. I now have answers of negative 7, 2, and 14. They want me to write the range. To do this, you would say the range is, and then in brackets we'd write the three solutions we have. We have 14, 2, and negative 7. Like our mapping diagram, right, we wrote those numbers in least to greatest order. So we're going to write it as negative 7, 2, and 14. And this would be how you answer this question.